this is beautiful. You see him on the cylinder, Betty? Look at that red head. Oh my goodness. This is what I've been waiting for, guys. We've been hearing him, and he put his nest not so close to the house, I think across the street. Look at that beauty. This is called the Red Headed Woodpecker, and I can't tell you how excited I am. I have been waiting for this for weeks so I can show you. Look at that. Red, white, and black. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Bless Jesus for you. Yep, there you go. Right now, about the only thing I can get to is the cylinder, but it's full of goodies. Look at that. That's a red breasted grosbeak. Migrating through. I think the day is April 12th. He's a little early. They're all here around the 15th. Maybe about 6 or 8 of them, male and female. The female's probably here and I just don't see her because she... Ooh, hello, that's pretty. I'm gonna try out what you trying out. I'll be red. Oh, did y'all see that? Hello. Dominant redbird just knocked off the... Oh, I've lost it. Knocked off the grosbeak. Oh, that's sad.